Hey guys, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm ready to dive into the latest and greatest in crypto and blockchain. We've got plenty to cover, so let's dive right into things. Our Discord community now boasts 3,813 members. This is the perfect place for tech enthusiasts to connect and engage with our team directly. Recently, we took to social media to showcase our innovative groups feature. This tool is a game changer for anyone utilizing IPFS as it allows for dynamic organization of pinned content. With the ability to fetch files by group ID, our groups feature simplifies how you manage and retrieve your data, streamlining your workflow and enhancing efficiency. This week, we are so excited to spotlight Fireblocks. Fireblocks is a pioneering platform in the realm of direct custody solutions for digital assets. They provide an intuitive environment where businesses can effortlessly create blockchain-based products and manage day-to-day operations. With its robust security measures and user-friendly interface, Fireblocks ensures that you retain complete control over your digital assets while simplifying the complexities of blockchain technology. Whether you're looking to innovate in the fintech space or streamline your digital asset management, Fireblocks offers the tools and security to empower your projects. Over on the product front, let me remind you of the new adjustments to our pricing structure for our paid plans. We've enhanced storage limits, reduced overage pricing, and eliminated the pinned file limit, making it easier to scale your projects. These changes are automatically effective for existing subscribers with no action required on your part. While IPFS provides a powerful platform for decentralized storage, it is important to remember that managing this technology does incur costs. Whether you're managing a small project or scaling up, choosing the right service, like our affordable pinning solutions, can significantly impact your focus and resources. Have you ever thought about how to use hybrid ENS resolvers to bridge on-chain data? ENS is a pivotal part of blockchain's usability, simplifying transactions and interactions through human-readable names. However, updating decentralized websites on IPFS via ENS can be costly due to transaction fees. We've tackled this challenge with our IPCM technology, which optimizes on-chain CID updates for better efficiency and cost-effectiveness. By integrating IPCM with a hybrid ENS resolver, we bridge the gap between L2 innovations and mainnet resolutions, enhancing functionality without the hefty costs. And that's it for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more content from our team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all!